I finally get to lay my hands on the DJI Avata 2. One of the reasons I like this drone is it's pretty different from the rest of the other drones. It's different from the Mini 4 Pro, it's different from the Mini 4K, it's different from, the Air series and the Mavic series. When you have a look at it, it actually has the shape of the DJI Flip. They sort of like look the same, like a bicycle turned upside down. But then the controls are a bit different. Now, unlike the Mini 4 Pro and the Air series and the Mavic series that have the RC2 controller, this doesn't have that. This has some weird remote called the DJI RC Motion 3. And in terms of also still having that remote control for you to actually see with, it has the DJI Goggles 3. So I'm very sure this is going to be totally different flying experience. So let's unbox and let's see exactly what's in the box. Alrighty, let's open up the box. Let's see what we got inside. Okay, here we go. One of these days, it would be nice for DJI to actually make the boxes come in black and not just white. Okay, there it is. Let's remove the seal. There we go. Now let's remove, there you go, remaining seal. Okay, as usual, it comes in the bag. So let's get this out of the bag. Okay, there we go. Alrighty, here we have the bag. The bag is actually pretty similar to the rest of DJI drone bags. Okay, so we'll open it from the top. Okay, so it's neatly arranged as the rest usually are. So obviously this is the drone. Oh, it isn't actually. This is the DJI goggles. Aha, this is the drone itself. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is the fly mount combo, by the way. These are the batteries, and this is that weird thingy I was talking about. It's that weird, very, very weird controller I was talking about. Okay, so I'm sure in the bag, like they usually do, you'd have more accessories in here. Yep, that's correct. Propellers, USB cable, and some weird stuff. Hold on a second, let's have a look at what this is. And move this way. Okay. I have no clue what the flip these are. They're probably accessories. This looks like an adapter, USB-C adapter in there. But what's this? What really is this? Let me open this up. I'm curious to know what it is. Oh, okay. This it most likely looks like something I'll probably be using at the back of my head for the goggles. All right, so basically that's it. You have the manual. You have a propeller, another propeller. That's 4 propellers. You have some weird stuff. I don't know what it is. I'll find out what it is. Another weird one that I think will probably sit at the back. Here's a USB-C to USB-C cable. It's a USB-C to an adapter-ish cable. Weird as this. Here we have the weird control. This is the DJI Motion 3. Look at that. Looks like a toy. Interesting. I really love to see how this works in a real life scenario. Okay, what else do we have? We have the batteries. Now, this is the fly mount combo. So obviously there would be 3 batteries in there. So I'm suspecting that there's probably 1 battery in the drone. Yeah, the batteries are very different from the Mini 4 Pro, the Mavic series. Okay, so we have 2 here. This is the drone. So I suspect that there'll probably be 1 battery in the drone because I mean, it's a fly mode combo. It's supposed to have 3 batteries. There you go. Like I said, you see, it looks just like the DJI Flip. The only difference is with the DJI Flip, you can actually fold it. But this is just the way it is. It has these protectors on the side. It has the gimbal right there. Has the sensors 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I think that's just about it. Yeah, like I was saying, see? The last battery is in there. There you go. So we have 3 batteries in total. Okay, I'm not surprised. And this is, years ago, we used to have the Sony VR. Oh, nice. Look at the goggle. Oh boy. Looks like some stuff from outer space. Like Predator-ish looking. Ah, this is nice. This is going to be interesting, honestly speaking, because this is like a totally different experience from flying the Mini 4 Pro, the Air 3S, and the Mavic series. So I guess what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up and take it for a spin. So we'll film the entire experience and I'll let you guys know just what this is about. I'm really excited about this. I can't wait to get this guy up in the sky. Alrighty. So next time I'll be seeing you guys, I'll be giving you an experience of exactly how this thing looks. Hopefully I can also record everything I'm seeing, like the RC2 controller where you can actually screen record. Hopefully, I mean, I don't know how that's going to be possible with this, but I'll do what I can and let you guys in on what it eventually looks like. Until the next review, I'm gonna see you guys. Ciao.